Good morning everyone. I am welcoming all the students of class 2. Today we are going to start SST class. Please take out your social studies book. So yesterday we have learned celebrations and festivals. Chapter 11, you can see chapter 11, celebrations and festivals. There are so many festivals in our country. What are they? National festivals, religious festivals and harvest festivals. Yesterday I have told you what is national festivals. There are 3 types of festivals: Republic Day, Independence Day and Gandhi Jayanti, that we celebrate with our family and friends. All whole world celebrate these festivals. Okay. Now religious festivals, I have told you Diwali, Dussehra, Eid. Okay. So Christmas, like Guru Purab, they celebrate so many types of festivals. Now we are going to learn Eid. How people celebrate Eid? Eid is celebrated by Muslims to mark the end of Ramzan month of fasting. People visit masjid to offer special prayers. Eid is celebrated by Muslim लोग क्या करते हैं? Eid celebrate करते हैं. Okay, and mark the end of Ramzan month of fasting. They used to fast. वो लोग fasting रखते हैं 1 month आफ्टर रमज़ान आने से पहले वो लोग क्या करते हैं? फास्टिंग रखते हैं. ओके. नाउ पीपल विजिट मस्जिद टू ऑफर स्पेशल प्रेयर्स. अ स्वीट डिश कॉल्ड सेवाई. सेवाई इज प्रिपेयर्ड. पीपल ग्रीट ईद मुबारक टू ईच अदर. मीन्स पीपल विजिट मस्जिद फॉर अ स्पेशल प्रेयर. पीपल लोग कहाँ जाते हैं? उस दिन मस्जिद जाते हैं, प्रेयर्स करते हैं अपने भगवान को. And people used to cook special dish. And इस मुस्लिम लोग का special dish क्या होता है उस दिन? सेवई. Okay. And they used to greet each other, Eid Mubarak, Eid Mubarak. Okay. Like this they used to say, they used to greet them. Now you can see the pictures. You can see the pictures how they celebrate Eid. Christmas. Now Christmas, how Christians celebrate Christmas. We are going to learn. Christians celebrate Christmas on 25th December every year. Christians celebrate Christmas on 25th December because on 25th December Jesus Christ was born on 25th December. So Christians celebrate the festivals on 25th December every year. Lord Jesus Christ was born on this day. People go to churches, hymns and Christmas carols are sung. Christmas tree is decorated. Children wait for Santa Claus to bring them gifts. People used to celebrate. People used to play carols. Christian लोग क्या करते हैं? Carols खेलते हैं, church जाते. They used to pray. They used to go church and they used to pray for God. भगवान का पूजा करते वो लोग भी. And they used to sing a song and they used to play carols. And Christian Christmas tree is decorated. Christmas tree is also decorated like this. You can see this. Now children wait for Santa Claus. Children also wait for a Santa Claus in Christmas day. Christian लोग ज़्यादातर क्या करते हैं? Christmas tree को decorate करते. They used to decorate Christmas tree and they used to sing a song also. Okay. So that's how Christians celebrate Christmas Day, because on that day Jesus Christ was born on 25th December. So they used to celebrate every year Christmas. Okay. So this is the festivals of Christians and this is the festivals of Muslims. Now we are going to learn Guru Purab. So Guru Purab means birthday of 10 Sikh Gurus are celebrated as Guru Purab. People visit Gurudwaras and recite verses from their holy book. Langaras or community eatings are organized, processions and taken out. So this is the festivals of Sikh. Birthday 10 Sikh Gurus. 10 Sikh Gurus का birthday है उस दिन. So they used to celebrate like this in Langaras. You can see there. Now holy book, they used to visit their temple and they used to pray their holy book. Okay. Now Langaras are community eating or organized processions are taken they used to in Langara they used to organize a food. वो लोग क्या करते हैं, ऐसे खाना बांटते हैं, लंगारा में बिठा कर क्या करते हैं वो लोग खाना बांटते हैं, जो गरीब होता है, पुअर्स पीपल और कोई भी हो, प्रसाद के नाम पे वो लोग ऐसे करते हैं. ओके, यू कैन सी दिस लंगारा. नाउ होली इज द फेस्टिवल ऑफ कलर. होली इज द फेस्टिवल ऑफ कलर. होली के दिन क्या होता है, आप लोग कलर से खेलते हैं. नाउ इट इज सेलिब्रेटेड एट द ऑनसेट ऑफ स्प्रिंग. People play with colors called gulal. People used to say that gulal. उस दिन क्या बोलते हैं, वो कलर को क्या बोलते हैं, गुलाल. Okay. Children spray water on each other with water guns called पिचकारीज. Now children used to play with पिचकारीज. Water, वो पिचकारी में क्या डालते हैं, पानी पूरा डालते हैं and they used to enjoy with water. वो इंजॉय करते, एक दूसरे पे पानी डाल के इंजॉय करते. ओके. नाउ दशहरा. हाउ वी सेलिब्रेट दशहरा. दशहरा इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड विजयदशमी. दशहरा वी कैन से दशहरा इज विजयदशमी बिकॉज ऑफ द विक्टोरी ऑफ लॉर्ड. विक्टोरी, बिकॉज वाई वी कॉल विजयदशमी, बिकॉज ऑफ द लॉर्ड विक्टोरी, because of the victories of Lord. That's why we say Dasara is a Vijayadashami. And people used to celebrate also. Rama over 10-headed demon Ravan. Dasara marks the victory of good over evil. उस दिन दशहरा क्यों मनाया जाता है, विजयदशमी, और लॉर्ड विक्टोरी क्यों बोला जाता है, क्योंकि राम भगवान ने रावण को क्या किया था, रावण का वध किया था. इसीलिए 10-headed demon, you can see this 10-headed demon, and दशहरा marks the victory of good over evil. उस दिन evil को मारा गया, इसीलिए वो लोग भी कैसे कर क्या करते, 10-headed ऐसे बनाकर राम भगवान का कोई होता है फॉर एग्जाम्पल डुप्लीकेट, एंड वो लोग ऐसे करके मनाते हैं. ओके. नाउ दिस सेलिब्रेशन starts with Navratri and ends on the 10th day called Dasera. Start with Navratri से start होता है, फिर उसके बाद 10 days में ख़त्म होकर क्या होता है, दशहरा. ओके. The Ramlila, a performance on the life of Lord Rama is also held. Many fairs, meals are organized. रामलीला भी वो लोग करते हैं उस टाइम. ओके. सो मैनी पीपल यूज टू सेलिब्रेट लाइक दिस. मैनी फायर्स आर ऑर्गेनाइज्ड इफिज ऑफ रावण एंड हिज सन मेघानंद. सो एंड ब्रदर कुंभकर्ण. रावण का भी बहुत सारा भाई, कुंभकर्ण, मेघानंद, आर बर्न्ड इन ओपन ग्राउंड्स. सो दे बर्न लाइक दिस. जलाते हैं उन लोग को, रावण को, कुंभकर्ण को, मेघानंद को ऐसे जलाते हैं वो लोग. सो ओपन ग्राउंड में, ओपन खुला ग्राउंड में उन लोग का क्या बनाते हैं, स्टैच्यू बनाते हैं और दे यूज टू फायर देम. ओके. नाउ ड्यूरिंग नवरात्रि पीपल प्ले डांडिया एंड रास गरबा इन गुजरात. पीपल यूज टू प्ले डांडिया गरबा इन नवरात्रि टाइम. दुर्गा पूजा इज सेलिब्रेटेड इन कोलकाता ड्यूरिंग दिस टाइम. इस टाइम में क्या करते हैं, दुर्गा पूजा भी सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. नवरात्रि, दुर्गा पूजा सेलिब्रेटेड ऑन कोलकाता. आप लोग जब भी व्हेन यू विजिट कोलकाता यू कैन सी देयर इज़ अ बिग डेकोरेशन. वहाँ पर बहुत बड़ा दुर्गा पूजा का फेस्टिवल्स लगा हुआ होता है. ओके. दुर्गा पूजा बहुत अच्छे से मनाते हैं वो लोग. नाउ Persians celebrated Navroz or Paris New Year. Mahavir Jayanti and Buddha Purnima are celebrated by Jains and Buddhists respectively. So Persians celebrate Navroz and Paris in New Year. Mahavir Jayanti and Buddha Purnima are celebrated by Jains or Buddhists respectively. All festivals and religions teach us to the follow path of brotherhood, truth and peace. Buddha Jayanti and Mahavir Jayanti used to celebrate by Jains and Buddhists. जो बुद्धिस्ट लोग होते हैं, जो जैन्स लोग होते हैं, they used to celebrate these festivals and they used to celebrate Navroz or Paris in New Year. Okay. Now all festivals and religions teach us to follow the path of brotherhood, truth and peace. What festival teaches? The festival teaches to be peace, to keep peace and to tell us brotherhood, truth. उस दिन हम लोग क्या करते हैं? मनाते, खुशहाली मनाते, कोई झगड़ा कुछ नहीं होता है. ओके. सो पीपल यूज टू सेलिब्रेट हैप्पीली. देयर आर सम पीस, वहाँ पीस भी होता है, ट्रूथफुल भी होता है. सो दिस फेस्टिवल टीच अस आवर ब्रदरहुड. कोई भी जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल योर फ्रेंड्स is angry with you, you can call in your festival, you can call your friends and you can say sorry. Okay, so उस टाइप का जैसा भी हम लोग मनाते हैं. So festivals teach us how to celebrate what is peace and what is brotherhood. They teach us. Okay, so these are the festivals and religious teach us to follow the path of the brotherhood, truth or peace. Harvest festival. Now what is harvest festival? Harvest festivals are celebrated after a good crop production. Harvest festival क्यों मनाया जाता है? जब अच्छा good crops होता है. So productions होता है, good crops, productions. People thank God for giving them lots of food. People used to thank people. भगवान को लोग क्या करते हैं? उस दिन भगवान का प्रार्थना करते हैं क्योंकि उन लोगों ने भगवान ने खाना दिया, खाना बनाया, foods. Okay. Now different harvest festivals are celebrated in different parts of India. Different parts of India, different harvests are celebrated in different parts of India. India का parts में वो लोग celebrate करते हैं. Okay. Lohri is celebrated in the month of January. Lohri is celebrated in the month of January in Punjab and in North India. Punjab and in North India Lohri celebrate करते हैं कब? In January, month of January. People light a bonfire and dance around it. People used to bonfire करते, लकड़ी का आग जलाते और डांस करते, उसके राउंड में वो लोग डांस करते हैं. Now Baisakhi is also celebrated in Punjab. People perform Gidda and Bhangra dances. In Baisakhi, Punjab, this is the festival of Punjabi. People perform Gidda and Bhangra dance. This is the Bhangra dance. So people कब करते हैं ये लोग? बैसाखी में. Okay. Now Bhogi is celebrated in Andhra Pradesh. Pongal is celebrated in Tamil Nadu. In January time they used to celebrate Pongal, Bhogi and for 3 days, 3 दिन लगातार वो लोग ये celebrate करते हैं Pongal. The first day is called Bhogi Pongal. The second day is called Thai Pongal and the third day is called Mathu Pongal. Tamil Nadu में language, there are different language in Tamil Nadu, right? So we can say first day they celebrate what? The festival celebrate Bhogi Pongal. उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Bhogi Pongal. Now in second day they used to call Thai Pongal. उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Thai Pongal. Now next Mathu Pongal. They celebrate Mathu Pongal in third day. ये सब नाम है जो तमिलनाडु में सेलिब्रेट होता है. ओके. इन नेक्स्ट पेज people prepare the sweet days and milk, jagira and rice. Farmers worship the sun god and cattle. People used to make some sweet days and farmer worship sun god. जो farmers होते हैं वो sun god को प्रेयर करते हैं क्योंकि उस टाइम वो लोग का क्या ग्रोथ प्रोडक्शन बहुत अच्छे से होता है, इसलिए वो लोग भगवान का पूजा करते हैं फार्मर लोग. ओके. नाउ मकर संक्रांति. व्हाट इज मकर संक्रांति? मकर संक्रांति इज सेलिब्रेटेड इन उत्तर प्रदेश एंड महाराष्ट्र. ऑन दिस डे पीपल टेक्स अ डिप इन होली गंगा. दे आल्सो फ्लाई काइट्स. इन मकर संक्रांति this festival celebrates in whole India, different parts of India, and they used to celebrate this festival Makar Sankranti. And Uttar Pradesh and Maharashtra, in Uttar Pradesh and Maharashtra, they used to celebrate Makar Sankranti. They people takes a deep in holy Ganga. वो लोग नदी के अंदर, गंगा के अंदर एक डुबकी लगाते हैं. ओके, नाउ दे फ्लाइज काइट्स ऑल्सो. वो लोग काइट को भी उड़ाते हैं उस दिन. ओनम, व्हाट इज ओनम नाउ? ओनम इज सेलिब्रेटेड इन केरला for 10 days. Onam is celebrated in Kerala. It is the festivals of Kerala. For 10 days, 10 दिन के लिए वो लोग ओनम मनाते हैं. People decorate elephants. They have snake boat races. वो snake boat, you can see this snake boat races. People used to celebrate. People used to decorate elephant. Elephant को decorate करते हैं and snake boat का race लगाते हैं. Okay? They make alpna Rangoli outside their house. A sweet dish called paisam is released by all. उन लोगों का स्पेशल डिश क्या होता है केरला में? पायसम. Paisam is the special dish of Kerala and they used to cook on that day. Okay. Now people believe that their king Mahabali visit them during Onam. So the Mahabali visit there during Onam. People believe that their king जो है केरला का Mahabali, so the people think that Mahabali will visit them on Onam. Okay. Now Bihu is celebrated in Assam 3 times in the year. So Bihu is the festival of Assam and they used to celebrate 3 days, 3 times in a year. 3 साल में 3 बार वो लोग मनाते. 3 times in a year. Spring, autumn and winter. Spring season में, autumn season and winter season. 3 times. So Bihu is the festival of Assam. Okay. So now we are going to do exercise work. Tick the correct option. A harvest festival in a Punjab and North India is called Lori, Pongal and Onam. So हार्वेस्ट फेस्टिवल किसको बोला जाता है? लोरी को. किसको है? A harvest festival celebrated in Punjab in North India is called Lori because Punjab and North India is celebrate Lori. Okay. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October, 15th August, 26th January. 2nd October. Next, which festival marks the victory of good over evil? Makar Sankranti, Republic Day, Dasera. So Dasera is the festival that victory of good over evil. Persia's New Year is called Navroz, Eid and Holi. Navroz. Bihu is celebrated in, Bihu कहाँ मना जाता है? Bihu is celebrated in Assam. Okay. Dash is celebrated on 25th December. Christmas is celebrated on 25th December. Dash is the festival of color. Holi is the festival of color. Next, Dasera is also called the Vijay Dasami. Dasera को क्या भी बोला जाता है? Vijay Dasami. Vijay Dasami. Okay. Now Dash is the harvest festival celebrated in Uttar Pradesh. Makar Sankranti. Makar Sankranti. Okay. So this is the answer. You can do this in your copy. This is your homework. आपका ये homework है. So we have finished the chapter now. Match the column A and B. You have to do this yourself. आप ये खुद कर सकते हैं. So we have finished the chapter. Exercise A, exercise B. This is your homework. Do this in your copy. And exercise C, exercise D, and identify the festivals in each picture. Search the name and circle in the grid. One has been done. As an example, यहाँ पर example में एक दिया है दिवाली. So you have to find the festivals of the religious. So आपको यहाँ festivals का name ढूंढना है and you can draw like this. You can do like this. Okay. फॉर एग्जाम्पल यहाँ पर एक दिया है, सो यू कैन find the words of festivals. This is your homework, exercise D and exercise F. Now we have finished the chapter. Exercise A, B, do this in your copy, and exercise D, do yourself. For today this much. Thank you. Have a good day.